Hey guys, today I'm gonna use the same natto I got at the grocery store. Let's start. Pour this one. Pour. Yeah, and it's inside. Oh, this is like easy to pull down. Take the sorting paper out. Okay, I'm gonna pour some Japanese mustard into it. Okay, gonna pour this. Okay. Let's now pour this sauce. This, what I'm gonna do is I prepare the slice of tomato. I already chop it up in order to save my times. So what I'll do is pour the natto onto the top of a slice. And mix with marinated. I think it's kind of hard to eat because the tomato you need a practice of using chopstick. Although as you can see, I'm having a hard time stirring up. But anyway, this is my today's dish. Natto with chopped tomatoes underneath. Sounds interested? Yummy!